Welcome to CPAPmachines.ca. Today we're introducing a non-CPAP product. It's a respiratory protection product by O2 Canada. Essentially, this is a personal breathing mask that protects anyone from air pollution and pollens. This mask is called the O2 Curve, and let's see what this mask looks like. Once you open the box, you will find the user's manual. Teaches you how to replace the filter, as well as how to use the mask. You'll find the mask inside, and when you open it up, you'll find the replacement filter, a dust bag for storage, and the mask itself. This is the headgear. To customize the mask, you can also purchase shells in another color. In addition, you can also purchase the competition filters. The competition filter is an extra fine filter that you can use when you're going to a place where air pollution is really bad. The O2 Curve is great for traveling to air polluted areas, and it's great for people who suffer from pollen and nasal allergies. It is also good for athletes and ideal for outdoor activities. Shop more at CPAPmachines.ca.